Okay, we're gonna be working on the truck again today. I've got a list of things I need to do. I've got the MAXTRAX install. I've got the gas cans install, solar glands, wiring, light. See how much I can get to today. Yeah, let's get to it.
Okay, if I just drag John. Oh.
Cayden,
Yeah?
you got stuff to do.
Okay.
Okay?
I'll just let him go himself.
Who's blowing the horn?
Jonah. I told him to shut up.
You're gonna piss off the neighbors.
I told him to shut up. His tire just popped again. I just told him I can't really do anything about it now. I'm too much. Dad, what are you doing?
I am putting this bracket on because this is, it does sit out a bit. But debating whether I should put these washers on or not. Cause see, this catches right there, which will dent in the canopy. So I'll see if I got thinner ones. I want to have that on there. But anyway, that's the mount that will go on the door. But I wanted to get everything spaced out because this is how the fuel cans will go on the side now. It'll just be the gas and diesel on the side. And I'll just have them connected like this. So MAXTRAX has been bought by Rhino rack. So I still got to finish cleaning this up a bit. But that changes a lot of their brackets and stuff. And they've also changed the pricing on stuff. The ones I ordered a couple times got canceled because they weren't in stock. So I ended up buying these ones. And those will get mounted to the truck. And we will be installing the gas cans that way. And then I've got a ton of other stuff that need to get installed. So let's get to it. So some of the stuff that I have to install, I just kind of laid out. I got to get a little bit more organized of what I'm actually doing today. But this is what I'm doing so far. MAXTRAX, the other one's right here. This is the solar gland singles, or the glands for wiring. So this is the solar gland. Another light switch. These are just grommets. Might put these back on. These are just extras. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with all these lights yet. Those are just drill bits. This is the new Wilson bracket. Another gland I'll probably end up using. This solar gland I'm going to put back. I didn't have the right connections for it, but basically you're going to drill through, seal this, and that keeps you waterproof. Light switch that's going to probably go in, and I'm going to redo these brackets for the tent, and just extra odds and ends here. Here's that piece for the solar. But let's get to it. Where's the green tape? So that'll get installed like that. But I've got one hole drilled, and of course the bits will be covered, but the bit slipped. So I've touched it up. I'm working on that one still. I just peeled all the tape and put it up there. But this is what Cayden's gonna do. He's gonna install this right
This way?
Oh, actually you could do it that way too.
What was that?
This is how I did this one. Cayden, focus.
Sorry.
Do that again. How do you do that?
That way?
That's the same way. It's just on the inside. Can do it on the outside, it's fine. I thought you did something different.
No. I did.
So yeah, we got the interior still to do, but I've got the MAXTRAX still to install and the gas tank still to install. The steel is becoming a real pain in the butt. These Diablo bits work for like one hole, essentially. One did like 3. So I gotta go get some more, return these ones. I'll probably do that tomorrow. I'm just, it takes the wind out of your sails sometimes. You get on a roll and it's like, but I do want to get at least half the mount put on, and then I can work on some wiring, I guess. Not the order I wanted to do stuff in though, but oh well. It is what it is. You work with what you got sometimes. So we're on day 2 of this weekend. Yesterday I got the MAXTRAX installed. Today I'm working on, where is it? This. Working on the gas cans. So I've taken the template off, which is over here. This is where, not the template, but this is the mount that's going. I have that protected because I was making sure everything was nice and tight. And I've taped it all out here, which looks like kind of a mess. This is so when I slip, I don't scratch anything like I have in the past. I just pre-drilled these little holes, and now I'll go back and make them bigger as I go. I found that the easiest way to do this, my little pilot holes, and then I'll get it mounted, and then I start working on the interior. So let's get to it. It's too big. Things I put on to go over the sides. Halfway in, it looks like. But what I'm doing is I'm re-taping everything, as my electrician is too thorough. He's good at what he does, but holy cow. I will be redoing this eventually. I'm gonna put on new solar for more watts. But for now, oh, I'm beat. That was a busy day. Ouch. Got the solar glands. I got the solar glands in. I got the WeBoost gland in. Oh, my back. The light fell off at the very end because of the heat from the sun and the light. I just had stuck on there, so I drilled 2 holes for that. Put that in. It's a little crooked. It was just pissing me off now, but whatever. Got the interior light wired up, and I still have to wire up the other light, but I have to figure out where it's going to go still. I might have to build a bracket or something for the light to shine down for our cooking area. So I got to figure that one out. But that's a wrap for today. Today was very, very good day. I mean, we got the MAXTRAX in yesterday. Today we got the gas tanks in, and all the glands in, cleaned up. I'll probably wash the truck this week sometime. I just want to let that cure a bit more though, and then I want to run another bead around the outside of it. So I'll probably do that tomorrow with a fine tip, and then kind of smooth that out, so that will give an extra layer. So I've got a layer on the inside, a layer on the inside of the canopy, and then one on the outside, and then I'll do another one on the outside. So, and it's also covered by the tent, so any direct rain, no, but they might get some stuff, and I want to make sure that it stays dry. So that's it for today. Thanks, guys. Cayden was a big help today. You tired?
No.
You're not tired? You look tired. Oh, all right, see ya.